Hey, we are doing breathing exercise today, which is to calm your mind. So if you feel anxious, this is the practice for you. So take comfortable position. You can lie down on your mat. Make sure that your shoulder blades are firmly on your mat. Your chest is open. Your arms can be a little further from your body. Make sure that your feet are opening a little bit outward, so you are also relaxing your hips. So you are really comfortable in your body here. Then you can close your eyes and bring your awareness to your breathing. First, especially, bring your attention to your inhalation. Give it your full attention, making sure that you are filling your lungs completely. Keep in mind that you don't need to rush anywhere while you are lying here and breathing. Then we are bringing our inhalation and our exhalation equal in length. So you can maybe count to 3 on your inhalation and make sure that your exhalation is matching to that count of 3. And while breathing here today, also on your yoga practice every day, keep in mind while you are breathing that every one of your breaths is unique. And since there is never going to be the exact same kind of breath again, each one of your breaths really deserves your full attention. And the third stage of this breathing exercise is to hold your breath after your exhalation and count to 3. So you inhale, counting to 3, exhale, count to 3, and when you are holding your breath after your exhalation, you are counting to 3. Just continue like this. Inhale, count to 3, exhale to 3, and hold your breath, counting to 3. After your next exhalation, actually after the hold of your breath, after your next exhalation, you can return to your normal breath while I am sharing one thought with you, which goes like this. Let everything that wants to go, go. Let everything that wants to come, come. So just feel how it feels now at this point of the practice. When it's about to end, do you feel more relaxed? Just observe your feelings for a little while. When you are ready, you can start to bring a little bit movement into your body. Just wake yourself up. And then, when you are ready, you can maybe stretch yourself. When you are ready, open your eyes and continue on with your day. Or maybe you are about to head to bed. So in that case, I would like to say, have a good night's sleep. And we see each other again next time.